We have an asset. It has the following distribution. There is a third of a probability it has 6% return next month. A third of a probability it has 0% return, and another third of a probability it has -3% return. So we want to calculate the expected return and the standard deviation of the asset. To solve this question, start with the expected return. Expected return equals to the probability weighted sum of asset returns on the different scenarios. So it's 1/3 times first case 6% return plus a third times second case neutral return 0% plus a third of a case it has a bad return, that's -3%, and that gives you 1% return on average. Second, we want to calculate the standard deviation of the asset. To do that, you need to first get the variance. And the variance equals to the probability weighted sum of the squared deviations from the mean. So that's a third times squared deviation from the mean. That's 6% on the good scenario, minus 1%, that's a mean, square that, plus a third times deviation from the mean, 0%, minus 1%. Square that, plus 1/3 times -3%, minus 1%. Square that. And that gives you 0.0014. Finally, to calculate the standard deviation, you need to take the square root of the variance. And that gives you square root of 0.0014 equals 3.7%. So this asset has an expected return of 1% and a standard deviation of 3.7%.